Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go on your Mac. While the game is designed for mobile devices, you can enjoy it on a larger screen using an Android emulator. This method allows you to run Android applications directly on your Mac OS system, creating a virtual environment. We will explore the necessary tools and steps to get you started, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience right from your computer. It's a great way to play without constantly draining your phone's battery. Selecting the right emulator is crucial for a good experience. BlueStacks is a popular choice, known for its user-friendly interface and strong performance, making it excellent for beginners. Nox Player, on the other hand, offers more advanced customization options, which can be appealing if you like to fine-tune your settings. Both are reliable, but considering your Mac specifications, like its processor and available memory, will help you choose the one that runs most efficiently for you. Once you've chosen your emulator, the installation process is quite simple. First, download the installer from the official website of your chosen emulator. Then, follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation on your Mac. After installation, launch the emulator and sign in with your Google account just as you would on an Android phone. Finally, open the Google Play Store within the emulator and install Pokémon Go. You'll be ready to play in just a few minutes. Now that everything is set up, you can start playing Pokémon Go on your Mac. You'll typically use keyboard keys or a virtual joystick within the emulator to move your character around the map. Remember to adjust your virtual location settings within the emulator to explore different areas. It's important to be mindful of the game's terms of service concerning location manipulation. With these steps, you can enjoy the full Pokémon Go experience, catching creatures and battling, all from the comfort of your Mac.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.